after खो गए हम कहाँ, I feel that pressure to just a good kind of pressure to not disappoint people.
Correct. Ananya Pandey. Oh my God, it's so fun to see you, babe. Since the first film Student of the Year 2 से लेके अब तक, I think the trajectory has been just fab. It's fantastic. It's through the roof. It's colorful. It's hot. It's happening. It's PHAT. Pretty hard attempted.
Thank you.
So how मतलब अगर मैं आपसे ये सवाल पूछूं कि सबसे ज़्यादा किसके expectations सबसे ज़्यादा भारी लगते हैं? खुद के, फैमिली के, फ्रेंड्स के, फैंस के, इन चारों में से ये जो 4 कैटेगरीज हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा भारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस किसके लगते हैं आपको?
That's a deep question.
Which F team is giving you
Which F team is giving the most P?
I think fans is giving the P. Because I feel like my family and my friends and everyone else, fraternity, is very
That also.
Another
Yes.
F
Love it,
is
love
very loving.
Even without the coffee, the timing's right there.
Yeah.
Exactly. But they have been very they're loving and forgiving and like me and support me. But I feel, especially after खो गए हम कहाँ, I feel that pressure to just a good kind of pressure to not disappoint people. I just really want to be good and I want people to like me and like my work and just put out work that really resonates and stays with people. Like I want those characters that years later people are like, she's my favorite character, I love her and I act like her, or
Iconic.
I say iconic. You know how they say iconic like that? Yeah.
How do you deal with it though? लेकिन मतलब जब मैं एक लिंक भी कर रही होती हूँ रेडियो पे, and I know that this was a fab take, मतलब I was stupendous. But not to still be humble. How do you keep bringing yourself back from?
I think life humbles you.
Yeah.
Anyway, but no, I feel I am very hard on myself. That I don't feel good until like I'm really like told by my director or my co-stars that listen, chill, like you were fine.
Yeah.
I'm constantly asking Muskan like,
yeah.
do you think that was fine? Or I'm asking Colin or Lyra like, was that okay? Should I do it again? Should I try it like this? I'm never happy. So, but that constantly keeps me on my toes and makes me want to do better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Also, it's just great. मैं तो यहाँ पे जैसे वो पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग में टीचर होती है ना, जो फर्स्ट रैंक वाली जो बच्ची होती है.
Oh, yes.
I'm teacher.
Never was that in school. I'm feeling
आपको
it
टेंशन
today.
लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई रेड मार्क्स नहीं है इसके बुक में.
My proud parents.
Oh yes.
I brought them with me.
Momenters. छाती चौड़ा हो गया.
मुस्कान, my first questions to you. जब आपने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तब क्या आपको लगा कि ये वाला जो डायलॉग मैं कहने वाली हूँ और इसकी जो कॉमिक टाइमिंग होगी, इसे कह के पब्लिक लोटपोट पागल?
Very good. See, I read it as an audience myself.
Correct.
When I read it. So when I am only bursting and laughing. So I was like, ये तो होने ही वाला है.
जी.
तो मामला होने ही वाला है.
तो ऐसे कोई सीन था या फिर ऐसा कोई फ्रेम था, ऐसा कोई मोमेंट था कि आपको लगा ये वाले सीन में तो मुझे बड़ी एक्साइटमेंट है?
ऐसे तो बहुत थे.
बहुत थे.
But it's the one-liners is written so well.
Yeah.
And even with like the punches and everything, it was just a great read. Like when you read a book also, like as a comedy book.
जी.
तो वो तो पढ़ा.
आपको क्या? खत्म. धमाका. तोड़फोड़.
एकदम.
Okay. आपकी जो कॉमिक टाइमिंग है या आपको आपकी मम्मी से मिलती है, पापा से मिलती है या फिर चाइल्ड ट्रॉमा? मतलब
पापा
क्या?
से मिलती है.
चाइल्ड ट्रॉमा मतलब आई डोंट नो कहाँ से मिल रही है आपकी कॉमिक टाइमिंग?
नहीं वो तो थोड़ा बहुत तो है शायद खून में तो है. हाँ थोड़ा बहुत तो है. But I am myself very animated since childhood. They also know I'm constantly doing something.
Cheers.
So I enjoy it and I watch a lot of comedy stuff also. I think it's a very difficult art.
Genre.
Yeah, it's very difficult.
100%. बट आपके कई सारे ऐसे मोमेंट्स हैं जो रिक्शा में भी है या फिर अदरवाइज ऑल्सो. आई थिंक वो जो एक छोटा सा पॉज लेती है ना आप, एक सेकंड का क्यूरियोसिटी धमाका.
Timing का ही होता है ना
It's
सब
really
खेल.
timing. That's why they say comic timing.
Exactly. It's like a metronome वो चलता रहता है. And I was so glad that the both of us could find it. You know, like the three of us found it.
Yeah.
Because it's like there's a theater में एक game होता है Zip Zap Zoom. So it's like that was constantly happening.
हमने स्कूल में भी खेला, सिर्फ थिएटर में नहीं खेला.
Oh, sorry. I didn't.
हमने नहीं खेला है.
Sorry.
हमने स्कूल में सिर्फ घर खेला और डॉक्टर. लायरा और निहारिका.
जी.
What is your preference, निहारिका या लायरा?
Whatever you want to call me.
I'll call you Bay.
Yeah.
What is that trait about your character जिसे आप romanticize करती हैं?
Romanticize करती हूँ. Just her drive, man. Her never die spirit. I think you can romanticize it, but when it comes down to reality, you can really be hard on yourself and burn out eventually. But I can romanticize that particular trait, I guess.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's great. कोई ऐसी मिडिल क्लास हरकत है आपकी जो साबुन के साथ जोड़ देना या किसी और के घर पे जाके लाइटें बंद कर देना बिकॉज उसकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल ज्यादा आ जाएगा? एनीथिंग दैट्स द मोस्ट मिडिल क्लास अबाउट यू?
If I go to a hotel, I love going to the bathroom and chilling in the bathroom a lot. If I go to
soap in the bath.
Same.
yeah, oh my
Like
god, when I
taking
go to
the
hotels,
body
I
lotion.
always take like I have an
Towel,
entire
yeah,
key.
full on.
Towel?
Bathrobe. Not towels, no, I'm saying just bathrobe.
I've taken just
and those,
chappal.
like,
I've taken the chappal, yeah.
chappals.
Chappal for sure. And also all the shampoos and the conditioners. And then when I call for breakfast, I call for extra jams and mayonnaise.
Because उसके डब्बे भी बड़े cute से होते हैं।
Because I
Gold
love
puffs.
that jam, yeah, that
Yeah.
strawberry jam. And so then I save all of that. So that middle class harkat I
There's a
do.
weird urge to take all these thailis and keep, man. I don't know why.
But that's
They
not a
come from
weird
mom.
urge, it's recycling, it's very
I
good.
want to keep
And
whatever
then
things
really
are there.
possessive about my dabba.
Dabba.
Like if I send you food, then I'm like the next day like.
But I
on the
won't
dabba
know
back.
because you've never sent me food.
If I do, then the dabba. But this if I don't because I don't want to give my dabbas
Don't want to
away.
give the dabba.
Really nice dabbas.